Hello everyone, welcome to another video of GravyMatter. Today we will show you how to use GravyMatter mutton curry gravy to make tasty mutton gravy. So we have in a bowl here about 500 grams of mutton. This packet, this GravyMatter mutton curry gravy packet comes in 250 gram size. So the 250 gram curry normally serves 700 800 gram mutton. We don't need the full packet. We will take out half, more than half, like 70% of the packet in a bowl. Making mutton curry using this GravyMatter gravy is very easy. It is similar to using chicken gravy. You just have to add the mutton pieces in the pressure cooker, add the GravyMatter, add water, and just boil. Only difference with the chicken is for chicken you need only 2-3 whistles. For mutton you need more, from 7 to 12 whistles depending on your pressure cooker. So if you haven't seen our chicken gravy making video, please watch it. The link is provided on above the video. Okay, now we will add the mutton pieces in the pressure cooker. And we will add GravyMatter gravy paste from the bowl. And we will add some water. Now we will mix it properly. Same procedure as chicken. GravyMatter products are available online on Flipkart, Amazon, Shopee, and many e-commerce platforms. The link is provided in the description. So please go to the link and buy, and you will make amazing mutton curry, fish curry, egg curry, vegetable curry, paneer curry, or chicken curry, as we have shown in these videos. So test our products and provide us feedbacks. Okay, now we have added the mutton and mixed it with GravyMatter gravy with water. Now we will just cover the pressure cooker and we will wait for like 10 whistles here. Again, I'm telling you, the number of whistles depends on the quality of mutton and the pressure cooker. Here in my pressure cooker it will take approximately 10 whistles, but in your pressure cooker, if the mutton is soft, it might take less whistles, or it might take more whistles. So adjust according to your pressure cooker. So we will just wait some time and then we will depressurize and open. Okay, 10 whistles complete. Now we will turn off the gas, but we will not open it right away. We will wait for some time to depressurize it, then we will open it. Okay, now approximately 10-15 minutes have passed, so it's depressurized. We will just check as the pressure is released. Now we will open the cover of the pressure cooker. And here we have our mutton ready. See, it's nicely cooked, and we will just give it a stir and see how if the mutton is properly boiled. So if you just prick with a fork and the pork and the fork goes in easily, then I will know that your mutton is properly boiled. So the color is nice and the dish is very properly flavored. Serve it with rice or roti. So if you like our video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to buy your product and try it at your home. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.